In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add images in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor, and once it loads up, I want you to head over to the left-hand side of the screen where you're going to find this side menu right here. I want you to click on the very first button that says Add Elements, and from this menu right here, you want to click on Image right here. And then from here, you have two different options. You can either upload your own images or you can choose one of Wix's free images right here. In my case, I want to upload my own image. So I'm going to click on that. And from here, you have a bunch of different options. Now, you can either upload an image directly from your computer by clicking this button, or you can also drag it in this blue box right here. Alternatively, you can import images from third-party kind of like platforms. So for example, you have Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, and so forth. You can also import an image through a link. So for example, if there's like a Google image or something they want to add that isn't already downloaded on your computer, you can just use this option right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add images in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.